Hello guys. Today I'm just doing a simple review on a HDMI to VGA adapter. Well, the main reason I bought this was for my PS4 to connect to a projector, and well, many of us, have a hard time in finding one because not all works, but this one definitely works, guaranteed. I tested it already. Um, Just take a closer look. Male HDMI, female VGA, output, input. The good thing about this one is it has audio output with a 5 volts DC input. That's like for some devices that need external power. Uh, this has it. Works really well, small, you can see there, about 2.5 inches, and it's fairly, it's really amazing, and it works flawlessly, no problems. Plug and play, just plug it in and display is ready to go. Came in this box, HDMI to VGA adapter with power and audio. To the back, there's specifications and descriptions about this item. Focus. Okay, well, you all can pause it if you all wanted to read this stuff. There's not really much, but whoever is interested. Anyway, got a nice little cloth, well, fiber, to wipe it down, whatever. Here we have this is a 5 volts USB, well, power cable. So like for your PS4, if you're using it for that, or PS3, or to your PC, to a monitor projector, plugs in. This fits into the 5 volts here, and also comes with a double 3.5 millimeter headphone. So again, one end, let's see if I can get it in. There we go. So one end there, next end to your audio input. Same thing goes for the 5 volts if it is necessary. And again, it works really well, and I got this for like about $8 on Amazon, and straight out the box works really well. So yeah, there you go. Thank you guys again. Please like and comment any information you'll need. I'll be greatly able to assist.